My name is Janan Lewis, and today I want to show you how to convert PowerPoint into an interactive e-learning module in a short video. To create an interactive PowerPoint course, you will only need PowerPoint, which can be found in Windows Microsoft. PowerPoint allows you to transform a boring slideshow into an interactive and effective process. Since you would have prepared the information you are using in your presentation, you can first create the amount of slides you need and then the layout. To create the slides, you would go to the home pane, go down to New Slides, and press on the new slide as many times as you need a slide. For a layout, you would go to the Layout section and choose whichever layout is best for each slide. Animations are visual effects which make your text, images, shapes, or charts come alive. They catch your audience's attention and help them engage with you and your presentation. There are generally two types of animations you can use to make your presentation come alive. The first type of animation is called transition animation. These are animations added in between slides. When you transition from slide 1 to slide 2, you can add an animation in between the slides. You can view the different transition options by going to the transition pane on the PowerPoint ribbon. The default view shows 9 transitions, but if you click on the little arrow like I am doing, you have options of subtle, exciting, and dynamic content. Use the down arrow to choose which one best suits you. Transition animations have additional effect options. You will notice this when you click on the transition you want to use. The Effect option button won't be grayed out, and you can select additional settings. For example, I selected random bars. The effect options for random bars are vertical or horizontal. You can also adjust the timing and duration of each transition, as well as set how you want the slides to advance so that the transition can take place by going to the duration pane and adding the time desired. You would select transition, move over to the timing group, the duration box, type in the number using the arrow up or down for the number of seconds that you would want. You may also use a tick to advance your slide by using the mouse or automatically the allotted time. Feel free to play around with the transition animations and effect options that work best with your presentation. The second type of animation brings the objects or elements within your slide to life. If you want to animate text, an image, shape, graph, or chart, this is the type of animation you select. First, you have to click on the object you want to animate, and then click on the Animation tab. The default view shows 6 animations, but if you click on the little arrow, you will see that you have other options. Here are the other options that you can choose from. You can swivel, you can teeter, if you want to explore more entrance animation effects, animation pane and copy and paste or drag the desired animation to the slide. You would go back into animation, go into animation pane, then you would drag from here into the slide. Important points to remember when adding animations. It is so easy adding animations to presentation slides that you can easily lose control. Therefore, you'll find yourself animating all objects on your slides and adding slide transitions as well. Nevertheless, it might look fun to you, but in reality, it can distract your audience's attention from the message you're trying to convey in your presentation. So, here are some guidelines you should follow when adding animations to PowerPoint. Simplicity is key. Limit the number of animations on a slide. 1 or 2 animations per slide should suffice. Time your presentation well. Make sure your objects appear right after you introduce it. Don't forget to practice. Practicing your timings and your animations are key to a successful presentation. There are many ways to make your PowerPoint presentation more interesting and interactive for those who are listening to you. I've shared just a few tonight, but hope you enjoy making your interactive PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.